Hi, I'm Scot Schultz. I'm the Director of HPC and Technical Computing at Mellanox. Welcome to Austin Supercomputing 15. This year has actually been a stellar year for Mellanox. So earlier this year we've introduced a number of new components to our technology portfolio. One of them being our end-to-end Ethernet and Spectrum 100 gigabit a second Ethernet switch. As well as we've been talking to a number of partners and industry solution providers around multi-host, some of the key capabilities of EDR, advancing to the next generation of our second generation EDR portfolio. So this year at SC15 we're announcing our Switch IB2. It's our second generation EDR switching technology, which introduces a new smarter interconnect. We are able to now actually do MPI operations on Switch IB2, which further increases the overall system efficiency and improves application scalability. It's the world's first smart switch. It introduces capabilities around our new Sharp technology, which fundamentally increases the overall system efficiency and the efficiency within the compute node. Which further offloads CPU utilization, giving the processor more compute cycles for the application. So as we move more intelligence onto the interconnect, we're able to offload MPI communications. So Switch IB2 is not exclusive for HPC. However, a lot of the first generation smart technology in here is actually targeted towards MPI communications. But EDR and EDR fabric is very prevalent, especially in the world of machine learning, as it transcends into social media and the search engine type capabilities of the internet. Mellanox is basically taking the ecosystem and spearheading a new evolution of what is called co-design. In order to get to the next order of magnitude of performance, we believe that working within the industry on the software components as well as all of the individual acceleration components, and then fundamentally driving a smarter network, putting kind of co-processing technologies integrated into the network as well, allows all of the system elements in the overall HPC system to fundamentally become co-processing elements. Being able to provide direct communication between all processing elements, as well as further offloading away from the CPU tasks such as MPI, which we're doing with our Switch IB2, only increases the overall system efficiency. So in moving to exascale is more than I think any one company or any one development evolution could possibly ever solve, right? It's going to take an orchestrated industry effort in order to get to this next milestone of an achievement in supercomputing. So I think it's all about partnerships and about working with core component and software technology providers, leading industry experts like Oak Ridge National Labs, NVIDIA, IBM. We have announced several initiatives within the industry around software, such as UCX is a unified communication framework. So there's a number of initiatives actually where the industry is working together in order to further and to help applications scale to the magnitude that exascale is going to demand. So next year, being 2016, of course we'll have availability of Switch IB2 and complete end-to-end solutions of the second generation EDR. And I think beyond that, in the 2017 timeframe, we're actually targeting that we'll see 200 gigabits a second. And so, as you know, we're aggressively pursuing increased bandwidth and reducing the latency and overall system efficiency. So it's an exciting time to not only be at Mellanox, but to be in the high-performance computing industry overall. Well, thanks for stopping by the Mellanox booth here in Austin, Texas, and we'll see you again next year at Supercomputing in Salt Lake City.